What if every errand felt like a red carpet moment, but every mile cost real money? Would you still want to own a supercar for daily life? This is a real day in the life of a supercar owner, from morning startup to parking it at night. Why it's important. Most people see highlights online, but not the responsibility, planning, and discipline behind ownership. What to consider: fuel quality, road conditions, parking safety, attention from strangers, and daily comfort. Though to use properly, warm the engine fully, drive smoothly, avoid rough roads, and plan trips in advance. Maintenance and care: regular inspections, premium fluids, tire checks, and keeping the car clean and protected. Common mistakes to avoid: cold revving, ignoring warning lights, cheap fuel, and careless parking. Step-by-step guide: morning startup, short city drive, midday check, evening crew, executor, night parking. Coast comparatively, driving a supercar costs several times more than a normal car in fuel, tires, and upkeep. Real life experimented or a full day, the thrill stays, but the effort and costs are impossible to ignore. Quick tips: use lift system, scary, a microfiber cloth, no trusted service shops. Final thought: a supercar is an experience, not just transportation, and living with it is a lifestyle choice, not a shortcut to luxury.